Hi there, it's Galen, design team member with Unity Stamp Company, and today I have a foiled creation along with a sweet stamp that I'm going to use Copic markers with and show a little bit of Copic coloring as well. So this is foiling with toner sheets, and they are designer toner sheets by Unity. I have first pre-stamped using Unity Stamp Company kit called Feeling Off, and it's a sweet girl scene there, and I added flowers to the hair. Also, I have a toner card front by Unity. It's a designer card front designed by Unity by ThermoWeb, and it's a Deco Foil brand. I'm also using deep blue azul Deco Foil sheets for that. And I'm using various Copic markers that are listed here in the video and will be listed on my blog. And so I go ahead and with these toner sheets, you can just color right onto them before you add the foil, and you can use Copic markers or any most markers, I believe, work just perfectly with this without any pre-prep. So I was very happy to see that the Copics didn't bleed or make anything muddy with the toner sheets. So I also decided to go ahead and color this sweet girl image with the Copics as well. I slowed down the process a little bit so you could see how I like to blend. In this case, I used a little bit of an outline in a darker color, and I came in with two different shades of blue to fill in that shirt of hers. And then for the skin, I like to go light first and then dark. So, you just start, I recommend starting lighter and then adding darker shades where you might see shadows or where you think the light might be, have it be a little lighter. So I did the same with the hair. I come in just with one color on most of the hair, and then I pick up a little highlights by just revisiting some of the same areas again with different layers of that same color of brown or tan. So you'll see I'll just revisit that area with the same color. Sometimes that's all you need. Other times you might want to go in and add a darker color, a darker brown. But I just liked the way it looked, so I stopped there with this one hue of brown. And then, so then I add a little shadow to the table in a light gray. And then I revisit some of those areas again with that same color just to make it look a little darker where I think it might be shaded. And then I like to outline sometimes the whole image with a little bit of a light blue or mint color. It just makes the image pop a little bit more. And to make the lines less vivid, I add zero marker to blend out any of those lines that might stay there in the background that I want blended in a little softer. That zero comes in handy a lot of times. And so I just layered that image right onto the background pre-cut die-cut panel. And for the foiling, I just used that pre-colored toner card front by Unity. It's called Floral Background, by the way. And then I add that blue foil right on top of that piece of toner card front, and then run it through my hot laminator. It's a preheated laminator on the high setting. And then you gently peel off that foil, and you have this beautiful image there, that beautiful panel to use. I decided to use half of that toner panel this time. And then you can use this leftover piece of foil. You can trim it and add it to just a regular black toner cardstock, solid, or you can add it right to a white background and adhere it, and it would make another pretty creation using the negative. And then I just chose to go ahead and use some leftover die cut pieces that I had. Sometimes I like to do that. I have them laying around. I don't have the heart to throw them away. So I use them on pieces like this wherever I can, just for extra accents. And then, so I go ahead and finish adding the adhesive and layering everything. And this card is ready to go. It's really sweet. It's great for a pick-me-up. And thanks so much for watching. I hope you like and subscribe to my YouTube. Have a great day.